Let's make the most flavorful ice cream recipe. Coconut ice cream. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm the only one who likes coconut ice cream. The flavor alone and the taste. Oh my goodness. Is absolutely good. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Happy new month. Yes, we are in October and I still have this ice cream. I have some. So come over and then enjoy. So I have with me here my milk, that is coconut milk. You can actually just go ahead and then make some at home. Okay, how to make your own coconut milk at home? The recipe is on the channel or wherever you're watching me from. So I used 3 cans. Okay, I have actually forgotten the measurement on the can. Okay, now this is the ice cream base we prepared, and if you've not watched that video, I will link the video in the description, so please kindly click on it and then go watch it. In all, we are going to use 4 cups of the ice cream base. I have only added 2 cups, which is what you saw earlier, and just look at how creamy it looks. I'll be adding extra 2 cups to it as time goes on. So in case you see that the quantity has changed or is too much than how you're seeing now, that is the reason. Okay, yeah. Now you can actually omit the ice cream base as well. Okay, that is okay. I'll go ahead and then add my condensed milk. You can use any condensed milk of your choice. You can use coconut condensed milk or the normal condensed milk that we all use. Okay, yeah. Now use it according to the taste. You know, not everyone likes it very sweet. I mean, the ice cream, some people do not want it very sweet, including me. I don't like sweet things like that. Okay, so just add it to it according to your taste. If you want it sweet, you add more, but remember that too much of sweet is not good. Very bad. It is better to stay longer or have a long life and enjoy than to eat too much of some things and then you fall sick and you can't enjoy it, you know, right? Yes. Now this is 2 cups of milk powder. I added some water to it to dissolve it. You can actually omit this and then use your evaporated milk. Okay, but we are using powdered milk. You can actually add the powdered milk to your ingredient directly than to dissolve it before you add it to it. But trust me, if you do it this way, is the best. Okay, if you add it directly to it, sometimes when you are eating your ice cream, you feel some things in your mouth, like some particles. Maybe you've not realized it or you've not noticed it. Yeah, that is the cause. So try to dissolve it like how you're seeing on the screen before you add it to your ingredients. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Have you liked the video? Have you shared to others? And what about comments? Do you have your comments in the comment section? If you don't have it yet, I'll be very happy to read your comment. So please leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Now we are done mixing everything and we are just going to add it to the ingredients I shared with you earlier. Okay, the coconut milk, the ice cream base, the condensed milk, that was all what we've added so far, and now we are adding our milk powder. Thank you so much. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us there. We are on YouTube again as Recipe Goddess. We have another YouTube channel and the name is Recipe Goddess. We share the videos in Twi language. Kindly subscribe to that channel. That brown thing you saw on the bowl is not something that is there. It's okay. I know how some of you can talk. That day was actually ice cream day and I made a chocolate ice cream and then some coffee ice cream. So that was the stain. In case you've not watched that video, kindly watch it for me or go through my ice cream playlist. Trust me, you are going to love them all. Just look at how creamy this looks. Yes, it looks absolutely creamy, even though we've not used any whipping cream, okay, or any heavy cream. Yes, so now we are just going to have all of them in our ice cream rubber. You can just pour this in your cups and then insert some chewing stick, just like how we used to enjoy in the olden days. This one is also the olden days type. Okay, after eating it you just chew the rubber as if you don't have another life to enjoy. That is just by the way. We are done with everything and this is what we have. Okay, so keep this in your freezer. Within 4 to 6 hours it should be ready, depending on the type of freezer you are using. If it is very good, within 4 hours it will freeze and you will enjoy it. But trust me, some people want it very liquid like this. Okay, they just want it a bit chilled. Yes, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.